Good morning. Today we'll study about how to identify the initial list of classes using noun phrases approach. So using this approach we can find the candidate classes for a given problem in any domain. Identification of classes. Identification of classes can be done by the noun phrase approach, the common class patterns approach, the use case driven sequence collaboration modeling approach, and the classes responsibilities and collaborators approach. First, we'll study in detail about the noun phrase approach by taking an example. This approach was proposed by Rebecca Wilkes-Brock, Brian Wilkerson, and Lauren Wiener. In this method, we read through the requirements or use cases looking for noun phrases. Nouns in the textual description are considered to be classes and verbs to be methods of the classes. Then the nouns are listed and divided into three categories, that is relevant classes, fuzzy classes, and the irrelevant classes. The initial list of noun phrases for a course management system can be identified with the candidate classes which come out as a list are professor class, course class, registration form class, registrar class, student class, course offering class, schedule class, department class, billing system, course catalog, registration system, curriculum, semester, online registration system. Therefore, the noun phrase is used to identify the classes to increase an understanding of the subject by us. In the second step, reviewing the irrelevant classes. It is safe to eliminate the irrelevant classes. The candidate classes must be selected from relevant classes and fuzzy classes. The following irrelevant classes can be eliminated: registration system, semester, and online registration system. Reviewing the redundant classes and building a common vocabulary. Here the several classes appear more than once, hence we eliminate the redundant classes. For example, course offering, course catalog can be combined into a single class called course offering, and similarly schedule and curriculum classes can be combined to a single class called schedule. Reviewing the classes containing adjectives. In this system we have no classes containing adjectives that we can eliminate. Reviewing the possible attributes. The noun phrases used only as values should be restated as attribute classes. In the following example there are none. The final list of candidate classes is professor, registrar, student, course offering, schedule, billing system, registration form. So like this we can find the list of the candidate classes by considering only the relevant classes and eliminating the irrelevant classes, and also the classes which we are in doubt. And after finding out all the initial list of candidate classes, we can connect them by means of association relationship and add attributes and methods. Here is a sample class diagram which is connected with association relationship where the attributes and methods are identified. So we can observe here that the noun phrase approach gives an initial understanding about the subject, and this helps us to identify the candidate classes. And similarly we can find the list of candidate classes for other problems. For example, consider two problems. First one, identify initial classes and draw class diagram for a library management system. And the second problem, which can be stated as using noun phrases approach, find the relevant classes for online payment system. So any questions regarding this noun phrase approach? Thank you.